Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. So today I did a few different things, mostly the same, but I started out with pulling wire, not like a feeder wire pull, but just little jumpers for the lighting circuits. So I went ahead, like I told you yesterday, there was 9 boxes to pull wire to. So I started out with one whole system because there's different colors for the dimming wire. So I went ahead and pulled the first circuit, which I think was the blue tape, which was the life safety, and then I pulled the next 4 or 5 boxes, which was on the black tape, which is just a normal power. So I pulled all those jumpers at the beginning of the day, and then from there went ahead and started putting in the lighting whips, these 4 lights in the hallway. Went ahead and wired up these lights, and then threw the whips into the boxes where I just pulled the wire to. So I got those 4 completed, and here is another one of the boxes that I pulled wire to right here on the normal, as you can see by the black tape. And this is one of the blue pipes right here, and this is the life safety, and that's just above this smoke detector right here. And then from there, going around the corner, worked on those wire pulls, and there's a crazy box, which you'll see here in a second. So we pulled through the crazy box, and then actually we pulled the loop back, so you'll see that. But this is where we pulled it straight through it at first. We took a little bit out of the other side. Luckily we had left a little bit long on the entrance, so we pulled that back, and there's another normal box and the crazy box, which is totally buried up here. Can kind of get to it, but the sprinkler is kind of just in the way. So anyways, we pulled the wire through here, and then we pulled the loop back out because we're going to splice in a exit sign, which is right here on the wall. So I went ahead and made this up at the end of the day, try to make it look nice. So I went ahead and left a whip out here for the exit sign, which I'll be putting in tomorrow, and we're going to be try to be turning on these 2 circuits tomorrow for the lighting in the hallway, the lighting for the normal and the lighting for the life safety. So there is the box right there. Put the cover back on, got it all made up as you already saw. Installed this light right here. Had to grab this out of the tunnel downstairs. So I wired that up and then threw that whip into that box, and that was the first lighting box that I made up, and tomorrow I'll basically have to do like 9 or 10 more of those for the other 9 boxes. So from around the corner, went ahead and jumped over here and switched this light. The light was on the left and the smoke detector was on the right, so I went ahead and swapped those. There's a lot of fingerprints on the smoke detector, so I'll have to clean that. I don't know if that was me, it probably was, but someone else was handling it as well. So anyways, it has a bunch of fingerprints right now, so I have to clean that tile, probably. Someone will have to clean it, probably me. And then re-supported the light, screwed the light back down, re-supported the light with the ceiling grid wires and all that jazz. But that was my day. I feel like it was pretty successful. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'll see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.